Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. Beautiful fall day out today. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? Another poor little orphan came to the Truckers Lounge. I'm going to have to take care of him. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? So yeah, I did a thing a few days ago. You guys know I'm a Cabover guy, and though I loved my 359, when you take them to shows, people walk right past the hoods, at least the general public, you know, and that's kind of what the truck shows are for, the general public, to see the beautiful trucks and maybe support trucking and whatnot. So I decided it's time to be all Cabovers here at the Truckers Lounge. So this is a 1983 International Transtar. No, it's not a Transtar. It's the 9670 that came after the Transtar. So you had the Transtar 1. Actually, you had the 4000 first. Then you had the Transtar 4070. Then you had the Transtar 4070B. Probably the most popular model. And then the 9670 came out. So we're just getting them cleaned up to be presentable. Hey, there's Grasshopper over there. He's been out having fun. So yeah, we're just getting this boy presentable. This is kind of gnarly. Definitely gonna have to do something about that. Not sure what's going on here. Have to address that as well. But overall, this is a very cool truck. So up first today is going to be to replace these ugly quarter fenders. And I've got just the ticket for that. 4 States Trucks sent me some beautiful quarter fenders. So let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, so everything is laid out for what I need. These are the old school style. So all you got to do really, loosen the bolts, take this one off, slide it off, and put this one on and put her together. Should be a pretty simple process. So might as well take advantage and get some black paint down in there before I put those new fenders on. Okay, you want to make sure that all of the supports are the right direction, because evidently I found out one is shorter than the other, and the longer one needs to go up here so it can kind of adjust as you tighten it. So, here's today's install. Looks so much better, trust me, than those old, ugly black ones did. We need shiny stuff on this 9670. Yeah, much better. So if you like those, and there's other variations of those quarter fenders too from Hoagie Built, and all you got to do is go down below the video, right down in the links in the description, is click on the link down there and you'll get a discount on your quarter fenders from 4 States. Okay, so today I want to start tackling the awful stone chips on the front of this truck. This was the worst. This was the absolute worst, this corner. So I'm taking care of that first. And I fixed the turn signal, which wasn't working, had a broken ground. A lot of lights I had to fix, but they're all fixed. Just basic stuff, wiring stuff, you know. Troubleshooting, gotta chase stuff. This is cool, you guys. I ought to demonstrate this for you. But this has an electric over hydraulic cab jack system. up and down right there. The downside of it is that as soon as it goes up, it'll come back down. So you have to lift it up high enough to get the drop down bracket on the right lift cylinder to stop it from coming down, which I don't like, but at least it's a safety gap. But we're gonna come up with something else, like maybe a valve that limits how fast it comes down. So Mr. Wizard's working on that, but it's so much better than having to pump it up. I got the hydraulic oil tank all painted. You saw that. So today we're doing some painting. I'm thinking about doing some accenting here in color, throwing some orange in here. It's about the only color that will go with this color scheme that looks decent. And I'm going to keep it in the vein or the style of the Eagle paint jobs, where they kind of had an angle. It comes up to right about here, and then I'll have another orange stripe that'll follow right under the brown stripe and go right up. And it's possible that I'll do this orange as well. So here's round 2. I'll sand that down, and I'm sure I'll have to do a round 3. But at least that'll look so much better, because it was just awful. It's pretty amazing that this brown is so close to what's on here already. This is leather brown, Rust-Oleum. It's so darn close. It's crazy. So you guys know Hammer Down Coffee is a sponsor of the channel, and I showed you all the flavors that they had previously, which I think there's like 5 flavors of coffee. And so I talked to Justin and I said, I need something really strong for the Truckers Lounge. So he came up with this vintage blend, which is the strongest coffee that they make just for the Truckers Lounge. Click the link down below and you'll get your Truckers Lounge discount when you order. Or if you want to go straight to the site, you can put in under the promo code GMC5. So listen, you guys need to try this stuff. I think you're going to like it. So yeah, that's kind of the update for what's happening at the Truckers Lounge, with the exception of another Mustang found its way here. I don't know, these vehicles find their way here from all over the world. So this being an international themed episode, I think I'm going to show you guys a lot of other cool international Transtars and 9670s. All right, you know, I had to give you one GMC anyways in this international themed episode. But listen, do me a big favor if you would. Make sure you like the video, watch it all the way through, subscribe to the channel because we got all kinds of good old school trucking content on here. And until next time, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo?
Yeah, thank you.